folks, Logan here, and today I want to show you how I set my mangroves up in my fish tank. Now I like to elevate them. That encourages our root growth right down here to grow down so you get that look that everybody dreams of with all your roots hanging out. Now I got one already done right here, but I'm going to show you the process that I went through. We're going to go ahead and set this one up on this side right here. So guys, you see I got this already in a vise, and I got a nice big old drill bit. Now this is a 3/4, and it's just a little bit bigger than what my mangrove seed is. And all I'm going to do is pretty much drill a half moon right here. Now this is actually composite wood. Composite wood works a lot better in aquariums for obvious reasons. Now that I got it drilled out, I'm just going to take some basic garden tape. Make sure it's at the right height. Wrap it around the stem here a few times. And then go ahead and sort of crisscross, wrapping it around our composite wood, making sure it's good and snug for a tight fit. So now that's all done, let's go ahead and set it in the aquarium. So here you see both are about the same height. We're going to go ahead and go put them in the aquarium. And there you go, guys, that's all.